Baby, this is what chain twist looks like, and I'm going to be showing you how I achieved mine. Come with me. Parting the back section into 7 places and the front section into 10, that is each side's 5. More details about the attachment I use later, but this cream was used to rub the attachment. This attachment was a pre-stretched attachment, so I'm just going to rub the cream around the attachment to add a little shine to the attachment in general. So yes, basically one of the reasons why I opted for a pre-stretched attachment was because of saving of time. So you see that the amount of hair loosed after combing was just not a lot. This was the quantity that was left. So going ahead to spray a bottle of water on the hair. I've done the back, so I'll just carefully explain. This cream was what I'm going to be using on my scalp, so I'm losing it and creaming my scalp. That's what I basically use for my scalp. So I'm going to be dividing it hair into sections. You can divide it into section you want, just do you. So this is the quantity at which I'll be using. This is the quantity I'll be using on each strand. So this quantity is going to be divided into 2. So the other section being left, and this one is going to be used to start from the root. You just braid it basically how you do your normal braids. Once you do it like 3 times or 4, you want to add the second section that you left behind. Yes. So now after you braided it and you're sure that the second attachment has been secured well, you want to divide the attachment into 2. You want to clip or hold down the other side and go ahead to twist each strand. So here's where the chain comes in. If you do the Ella twist to the right, you don't want to continue the second twist to the right. No, you want to do it to the left. And if you did it first to the left, you want to do the second twist to the right. That is what will give you the chainish look or chainish platform that it comes out looking like. So showing it to you again, you want to do the twist opposite to the direction at which you did the first twist. So the conjoining of the twist with the opposite direction at which you did the individual twist. So it will give you a chainish look or a watermelon kind of look. So that's basically how it is. I'm going to show you again severally. So I'll just advise for you to watch.
You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight.
So basically, this is what my hair is looking like right now. I did not grip too much to my front hair because what are we trying to do? We are trying to grow. Yeah, so this is what it's looking like. I just wanted to see it, like it's looking like a twist, but you know, a twist with a twist. Basically, that's how it is. If you can get, I feel like the normal twist is the simplest part. The normal, everything about it is simple and easy. If you do try the hair, don't forget to when you post a picture, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, baby. Yeah, sure. If you have any questions, you drop them in the comment section. About the hair I used LUSH, yes, and I feel like it's a hair that came in very shining. If you stretch the way it came in 55 inches. The only thing I just don't like about the hair is the level of flyaways. Can you guys see? Yes, it has too many flyaways for my liking, so that's the only thing. If you don't want flyaways, or when you are doing your own, you probably want to make the twist extra tight. I think that's one of the ways you can reduce the level of flyaways. So you can see my front hair that I didn't grip because what we wanted to grow. So I'm going to go ahead to trim the flyaways, but then they were too much and I was like, this trimming might not work. But then on the attachment, you're not supposed to use it on naked fire or prolonged in sunlight. But what, trust me, I still went ahead to use fire and I saw the color of the hair changing, so it made me change my mind and I stopped using fire and I went back to my scissors to trim. If you want to trim again, you can use your hair dryer. You want to trim with it, that is not naked fire, that's just it. You can trim your hair with it. Can you see the hair just turned color? You see the colors I was turning, I didn't like it. So you can actually trim it with definitely your hair dryer. Then you know I showed you this cream earlier. I'm going to be using this cream to cream my scalp. I do have a oil I use, is coconut oil, but I just don't want to use my coconut oil without a normal moisture already on my scalp. So basically that's it. If you have any question, don't forget to drop it down in the comment section. If there's any hairstyle you love to see me try, you can tell me, baby boo. And thank you to my new subscribers. Bye.